Forward-thinking design, precision engineering, trusted performance. It's what we do. Introducing the new Garcia Revo EXD low-profile reel. A reel that casts to the extreme. Built for tournament anglers looking for a reel that lets you cast further than you ever have before. The Garcia Revo EXD reel has advanced design features to help you get the most distance out of your cast. 9 stainless steel high-performance corrosion-resistant bearings, plus 2 custom-designed EXD bearings on the spool shaft handle more stress, reduce friction, and help make casts longer, faster, and smoother. 2 ultralight spool options allow anglers to customize their reel to give the best casting performance across all types of baits. When combined, these high-performance features will give anglers with the Garcia Revo EXD low-profile reel a competitive advantage when long casts are the key to success. Maximize your casting distance with the Garcia Revo EXD.
The idea of Concept Z dates back a long time. I started my career as the general manager of a large rod and reel repair shop. And it was really evident that ball bearings were a problem. The CZB was originally built specifically for the saltwater angler, even more specifically for the Gulf Coast saltwater angler. And what we did was we immediately started testing this on the Texas coast with some of the best anglers.
I think we can run down the flat and out to the outside and see if we catch some on that windward side of that wind blowing in. I've been doing this my whole life. I was born and raised here in Rockport, and going on 40 years of actual guiding. Catch a fish, going across the bay, and your bow spray gets on your reel, your hand's wet. Well, don't get it clean, you don't get it dried out, you don't get the salt water off of it. Next time you go fishing, you've got a problem. Your ball bearings are corroded, and they stick, and they're noisy, and it doesn't perform. And this new series reel takes care of that.
The CZB is a special engineered polymer material that is specifically built for fishing reels. We designed this material and worked with this polymer company here in the United States to develop a material that would help our reels perform to their highest level. We put this in the hands of our top anglers. They started using some different techniques. This is changing the way they're going to go about tournament fishing.
You know, long lining, you're done. You don't have to long line anymore. I mean, I haven't put this on a 10XD yet, or a D crankbait, but I don't have to throw it out there and troll over to there. I mean, you can't throw it any further.
When we get out there on tour, we need every advantage we can get. I feel like this thing has just set new levels of cast distance. I'm going to maximize what I need to do out there on the water. I think it's going to make my job a whole lot easier. That is absolutely, it's nuts, man. I mean, look at that cast.
Game changer, man, when it comes to, look at that thing. I mean, I'll be able to get my crankbaits. I mean, I love a DT16 and a DT20. I guarantee you that I'm going to be able to get those suckers down there another 2 or 3 feet. There's no doubt in my mind.
Reel and retrieve these fishing reels, and you will see that the absence of the balls in the bearings changes everything.
I can't stop smiling. I want nothing but these in my boat.
It's all about feel. And the feel of this reel is absolutely lights out.
It's something that we're really happy to say, we don't need to sell this to you. Just use it one time and you'll see exactly what we're talking about.
name is Andrew Wheeler. I'm the product manager for Abu Garcia. I'd like to introduce the new Revo Toro Beast series of reels. The Revo Toro Beasts have been designed specifically for heavy duty, heavy line, big bait applications. They're available in two sizes, a 50 size and a 60 size, making it perfect from everything from pike fishing all the way through to musky and then even medium saltwater applications. Some of the really key features of the new Toro Beast are, first off, the new power stack drag design. This power stack drag design allows us to get some really high drag pressures. You get up to 25 pounds of drag out of these reels, which combines again with really low startup inertia, so you're not going to snap them off with a really jerky drag, and gives you great smoothness. The other key feature on the Revo Toro Beast is the active response drag mechanism. Unlike most star drag reels, the active response drag mechanism allows you to be able to back the drag off under heavy drag pressure and have that drag pressure release on the reel. Most star drags, you can't actually do that. And this just allows you to stop breaking a fish off, especially if they eat a bait close to the boat. These reels are a full X-Craftic alloy design, so they have X-Craftic alloy frame and handle side plate, just give you that extra strength. They also feature our DuraGear HD, which is just our extra oversized DuraGear in brass gear to give you a very, very strong gear system. To really control the reel during the cast, we have our InfiniMax braking design. This just takes our Infini design to the next level, so you can really control those large baits in flight. And it combines a magnetic brake with a centrifugal brake, so you can control both parts of the cast, so you can really dial in and fine-tune your castability of these reels. These reels also feature 3 handle options that you get to choose from. So they come with the standard handle option, which is just your regular power handle. They also come with a single large oversized power handle, as well as a counterbalance power handle that allows you to have a large handle that's castable. They also feature our HPCR bearing system, which just gives you a smooth operation and they're extremely durable.
Introducing Shimano DC braking. The new DC brake is constructed to provide trouble-free casting to anglers. Conventional braking systems require a substantial amount of thumbing to prevent backlash. But DC brake eliminates trouble and reduces thumbing. DC brake provides ultra-long distance for anglers with less thumbing and trouble. Let's see the mechanism of DC brake. When the spool starts to revolve, an electric current is generated through the coil. The intelligent microcomputer constantly measures spool speed and controls it to prevent backlash. The DC brake system doesn't require any batteries or charging. The microcomputer measures and controls spool revolution at 1/1000th of a second intervals and applies the appropriate amount of brake to prevent backlash. This is an actual casting scene. DC brake can provide trouble-free casting for a wide variety of lures and conditions by simply adjusting the external brake dial. No other manual adjustment is required. Conventional brake systems require more thumbing and more adjustment to the brake to best match lures and conditions. With conventional brakes, an incorrect adjustment can greatly limit casting distance and cause backlash. However, DC brake provides you trouble-free casting with less manual adjustment, regardless of lure or conditions. DC brake can match any conditions to provide anglers with easy, trouble-free, and long-distance casting. Perfect casts anytime and every situation. The newest innovation in braking systems, Shimano DC brake.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, fish landing violation. Oh my God!
Now you see why a super fast reel is so important to winning. Just a few seconds can mean the difference between a big paycheck or going home. That's why I challenged the designers at KastKing to build the world's fastest bait caster.
Al Norica here for KastKing. You know, we trust our fans so much, we often take their biggest challenges and turn them into top sellers. The new Speed Demon Elite Baitcaster is a great example. This will be the fastest gear ratio reel available at 10.5 to 1. To handle that blazing speed, we've engineered a super manganese main gear, which will add unparalleled strength. Then we gave it 11 double shielded stainless steel ball bearings for consistent smoothness.